Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best multi-cooker that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 1. Struggling to cook healthy meals quickly without juggling multiple pots and pans? Wish your kitchen appliances could just do it all? Today, we're solving that problem with a single device that can pressure cook, slow cook, make rice, steam, saute, even make yogurt. This is the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multi-Cooker, a versatile 6-quart kitchen powerhouse made from stainless steel. Pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice maker, steamer, saute, yogurt maker, warmer, and sterilizer, all in one. Comes with a companion app featuring over 800 recipes to simplify meal prep. Stainless steel construction with a sleek chrome finish that's electric stovetop compatible. 12.2 by 13.39 by 12.99 inches, 1000 watt power, and touch control for easy operation. Pros: saves kitchen space by replacing multiple appliances. Easy to clean stainless steel pot. Smart cooking app integration for beginners and experts alike. Cons: slightly heavy at 12.35 pounds. Can take some time to master all cooking modes. Perfect for busy families, college students, or anyone who wants homemade meals without spending hours in the kitchen. At $99.99, it's a smart investment if you want 9 appliances in one, plus the convenience of guided recipes. Number 2. This is the COSORI Twin Pressure Rice Cooker, a 6-cup uncooked, 12-cup cooked, multi-cooker with advanced induction heating and a sleek design for perfect rice every time. 6-cup uncooked capacity, yielding up to 12 cups cooked rice, ideal for families. Induction heating, IH, technology for even, precise cooking and optimal texture. 20 menu modes including GABA rice, porridge, mixed rice, and slow cooking. Voice guidance system helps you navigate settings without guessing. Versatile, acts as a rice maker, multi-cooker, and pressure cooker in one. Compact dimensions, 15.1 by 10.3 by 10.2 inches, with easy handwash care. Pros: consistently cooks perfect rice thanks to induction heating. Multifunctional with 20 menu options. Voice guide makes it beginner-friendly. Cons: higher price point at $439.75. Slightly bulky, so counter space is needed. Requires hand washing, no dishwasher safe parts. Best for rice lovers, small to medium families, or anyone who wants precise, fuss-free cooking for a variety of dishes beyond just rice. At $439.75, it's an investment in convenience, consistency, and versatility, especially if you cook rice and grains regularly and want professional quality results. Number 3. This is the COSORI Twin Pressure Rice Cooker CRP PHTR0609FS, a 6-cup uncooked, 12-cup cooked, multi-cooker with advanced induction heating and silent pressure cooking for perfect rice every time. 6-cup uncooked capacity, making up to 12 cups cooked rice, ideal for families. Induction heating technology ensures even, precise cooking for fluffy rice. Silent pressure system for quiet cooking without noisy pressure releases. Open cooking mode allows more control for soups, stews, or porridge. Dynamic display for easy navigation of 20+ menu options. Eco Inner Pot reduces energy usage and promotes efficient cooking. Compact gray design, 10.59 inches by 10.83 inches by 10.55 inches, with easy handwash care. Pros: quiet operation thanks to silent pressure system. Versatile cooking modes beyond rice, including porridge and soups. Energy efficient Eco Inner Pot. Sleek modern design with dynamic display. Cons: higher price at $469.99. Hand wash required, no dishwasher safe parts. Slightly larger footprint, needs counter space. Perfect for families, rice enthusiasts, and home cooks who want versatile, quiet, and precise cooking with easy control over multiple dishes. Priced at $469.99, it's a premium investment for anyone seeking professional quality rice, energy efficiency, and silent operation in one multi-cooker. Number 4. This is the Instant Pot Pro 8-quart 10-in-1 pressure cooker, a versatile kitchen appliance that handles everything from pressure cooking to sous vide, all-in-one sleek black design. 10 cooking functions: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice/grain cooker, steamer, sauté, sous vide, yogurt maker, sterilizer, and warmer. 8-quart capacity, perfect for families or meal prep. Programmable with touch controls and a companion app with over 800 recipes. Matte black stainless steel construction, measuring 14.37 inches by 13.9 inches by 14.17 inches. Powerful 1400 watt performance for fast and efficient cooking. Includes advanced safety features and easy cleaning design. Pros: large 8-quart capacity for family meals. Multi-functionality replaces several kitchen appliances. App integration simplifies recipes and cooking settings. Cons: heavier at 15.83 pounds, may require sturdy counter space. Higher learning curve for first-time users due to multiple functions. Great for families, busy home cooks, or anyone wanting an all-in-one solution for cooking everything from rice to sous vide dishes. At $199.99, it's a solid investment for those who want versatility, large capacity, and smart cooking guidance, all in one premium appliance. Number 5. This is the COSORI 6-quart 9-in-1 pressure cooker, a versatile stainless steel multi-cooker that makes meal prep fast, easy, and safe. 9 cooking functions including pressure cook, slow cook, rice, sous vide, sauté, steam, yogurt, and more. 13-in-1 cooking presets for quick, hassle-free meals. Ceramic non-stick inner pot for easy cleaning and healthier cooking. 1100 watt power with touch control for precise operation. 12 built-in safety features including a hassle-free steam release switch. Includes recipe book for guided meal ideas. Compact dimensions, 12.6 inches by 13.4 inches by 12.5 inches, weighs 11.9 pounds, sleek silver finish. Pros: affordable multifunction cooker at just $80.93. Safe and beginner-friendly with 12 safety features. Ceramic inner pot is easy to clean and non-stick. Cons: smaller 6-quart capacity may not suit large families. Not as advanced as pricier models with app integration. Perfect for small families, college students, or anyone who wants a reliable, budget-friendly multi-cooker for everyday meals. At $80.93, it's an excellent value for a 9-in-1 pressure cooker with safety features, a ceramic pot, and multiple cooking presets.